Welcome to fiberONE. How do I book and activate my desired service? It's super easy. You enter portal.fiberone.de in your internet browser and then click on Availability Check. Then you enter the address of your apartment. As a demonstration, we're using Hartring 84. Now you click on Show Available Services and select which service you want. For demonstration purposes, we select the test week. Now all you have to do is fill out the following form with your data. Then you can choose whether you want to receive your invoices via email, otherwise they are available in the portal for download. As soon as you agree to our terms and conditions and click Order Now, you are officially a customer of fiberONE. You will now receive a welcome and a verification email. Once you verified your email address, you can connect your fiber optic router. When you now log in at portal.fiberone.de, you will be shown a button to activate your service. As soon as you press the button, you will see the message, "Your internet connection is being set up." Your internet will be active in a few seconds. Should the page not refresh after 1 minute, load a new website to test your connection. If you still don't have internet, reconnect to your Fritzbox Wi-Fi and try again. If you get the message, you can't activate your service because you are not connected to the fiberONE network, please check that you are accessing the portal while only connected to the router's Wi-Fi. And if you are using your cell phone to access the portal, please make sure your cellular data is off. If another message appears, please take a picture and send it with your customer number to info@fiberone.de and we will get in touch with you as soon as possible. Would you like to see more? Here are more videos from us.